Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot load photo. There was error loading this photo on iPhone and iPad in iOS 13, iOS 14, iOS 14.5 and iOS 14.6 beta. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1. Select download photo and keep original. To do that, launch settings, tap on your profile name and tap iCloud and tap photos and select download and keep original. Tip number 2. Turn on cellular data for photos. For that, first launch settings. Find and tap on photos and tap mobile or cellular data and turn on mobile data. Tip number 3. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. Launch settings, tap general, tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. Tip number 4. Go to settings. Now enable airplane mode. After that, foreclose setting app and lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. Then unlock your iPhone, then go back to settings and disable airplane mode. Tip number 5. Launch settings. Then tap battery and turn off low power mode. Tip number 6. Also try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you are using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Tip number 7. Turn on unlimited updates. For that, go to settings, find and tap on photos. Now tap on cellular or mobile data and enable unlimited updates. Finally, tip number 8. Sign out and sign in back. First launch settings, then tap on your profile name and tap sign out. Now follow the instructions and after a few seconds or maybe a couple of minutes, sign in back. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.